Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Bio-Dex Clearex 500. What is Bio-Dex Clearex 500? The Bio-Dex Clearex 500 product is a well-tested and proven clarifier that will efficiently clear up cloudy water fast. It usually will only take one treatment of this product to effectively produce outstandingly clear water. However, water conditions with unusually high solids and excess impurities will require a second treatment. In addition to being super effective, Clearex 500 is unaffected by chlorine and will work at any pH level. Product benefits: super effective water clarifier that is environmentally friendly. High effectiveness rate for the first dosage. Unaffected by chlorine and effective at all pH values. Usage directions: 1 gallon can treat up to 896,000 gallons of water depending on the water quality. 1 ounce treats 7,000 gallons of water. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.